Today I will explain types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. What is the meaning of proper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is less than the denominator. In this fraction 2/8, numerator is small, denominator is the bigger. 2 is less than 8. Other examples 3/6, 5/7, 9/10. 3/6, 3 smaller than 6. 5 is smaller than 7. 9 is smaller than 10. Next one is improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Improper fraction. What is the meaning of improper fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here 5 is bigger, 2 is smaller. 5 is greater than 2. Here 2 is smaller than 8. This is opposite. Here numerator is the bigger than denominator. Here numerator is smaller than denominator. So and are equal to the denominators is called an improper fraction. Equal to the denominator, numerator equal to the denominator, numerator 4, denominator 4, both are equal. So this is also called improper fraction. So other examples 3/3, 6/2, 8/5. Here 3/3, 3 equal to 3, 6/2, 6 is greater than 2, 8 is greater than 5. Third one is mixed fractions. A mixed number or mixed fraction is the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. What is mixed? 2, 1/2 is the mixed number or mixed fraction. So here 2 is whole number, 1/2 is the fraction number. Example is, this is one full circle, this also one full circle, this half circle. So this is full, you show 1. This is also full, show 1. Next this is half shaded, half part is shaded, so 1/2. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 1/2, 2.5. 2, 1/2. 2 is whole number and 1/2 is the fraction. Mixed of whole number and fraction number. This is called mixed fraction.